tech-savvy investors are turning their attention to explore the potential of commercial and industrial real estate as a strategic way to diversify their portfolio. Why? Unlike residential properties, commercial and industrial units are not subjected to ABSD, regardless of whether you are Singaporean or foreigners. Introducing EcoFood at Mandai, Singapore's latest freehold food factory development, starting from just $2.1 million. This is a rare opportunity to own a freehold food factory at such an attractive pricing. Developed by United Land, EcoFood comprises 69 function units, including one canteen ranging from 153 to 189 square meter. Each unit comes with a cold room ready provision, essential for maintaining food safety, freshness, and efficiency. EcoFood is strategically located in Mandai Estate, just minutes from Kranji MRT, Woodlands Causeway, and Woodlands Regional Centre. With the rapid transformation of Sungei Kadut, modern infrastructure, vibrant new businesses, and a booming food industry, this is the perfect time to invest in a high potential growth zone. The future of F&B is here. Are you ready to secure a stake? Contact any of our PropNex agents to view EcoFood today.